kitchen. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make fish tacos, and I'm going to be using the blue corn tacos I made in my last episode. They are absolutely amazing. So guys, everything that you'll need for this recipe is here. Don't worry if you've missed those ingredients, I'll put these in the info box as I always do, so do check out there for the ingredients. And I've also got some fresh Plaice. I'm going to show you how to remove the fillets from the skin, ready for pan frying. But first we need to marinate these, so we're going to make the marinade the fish, and then we're going to pan fry it, and then we're going to put it in the tacos and eat it. It's going to be amazing, can't wait. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a glass dish, and we're going to zest the lime straight into the dish, and that's so all the oils will go in there as well. So once we put all the lime zest in there, what we need to do is we need to cut open the lime, just like that. We need to take the limes, we need to juice them. So now we need a red chilli, and we're just going to cut that in half, and we're just going to take out all the seeds as well. There's not a lot of seeds in these, not that I'm complaining. So anyway, what we need to do now is we need to chop them up small. Now we're just going to put all the red chillies into our glass. So add your teaspoon of ground cumin, teaspoon of paprika, and season with some sea salt. So we're going to take some coriander and we're going to chop this up. I'm going to use the stalks rather than the leaves. It's got a little bit more flavour in them. Just pop those in there as well. Let's give that a little mix in. What we want to do is we want to put some oil in there as well. Just give that a nice mix. So guys, now that we've made our marinade, it's time to prepare our Plaice. So what we've got fillet of Plaice here. There's actually two fillets. You've got one here, which is the long one, and you've got a shorter one here. We're going to take these off and we're going to marinate them. So guys, take your Plaice fillet. What you want to do is you want to just gently score at the end and skin. So we're just going to run the knife straight down the middle now between the two fillets. Do that again, and they should come apart. Lovely. So there's your two fillets. So now what we're going to do is we're going to push down and hold on to this bit here, and then we're going to dig the knife in. And we're going to gently seesaw the knife and keep tension on the skin, just like that. And what you should have is that you should have a fillet. Lovely. So we're going to do the same thing for the second one. There we go, lovely. Got the whole fillet off. So what we're going to do now, guys, is we're just going to cut up strips. Place these into our mix. Place fillet in there. So yeah guys, we're going to take this fresh fish, we're going to put it in the fridge, we're going to cover it, marinate it for 2 hours, and then we're going to pan fry it, and it is going to be amazing. Yeah guys, the fish has been marinated in the fridge for the last couple of hours, we're going to pan fry it now. So our fish scoop, we're going to take it off the stove and just put it into a small serving dish. Just like that. Lovely. So yeah guys, that's how you make blue corn fish tacos. I mean, look at them, they look absolutely amazing. So I'm going to tuck into these now, but thank you for watching. Do like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But in the meantime guys, take care of yourselves. Bye bye. It's alright. Let me start in the hour.